the Supreme Court has issued notices to West Bengal and Tamil Nadu on the plea of the makers of the Kerala story that has become extremely controversial, on the story that's that claims to say the story of women who are getting radicalized into ISIS. West Bengal has placed a ban, whereas theatres in Tamil Nadu have decided not to really show that particular movie. The Chief Justice of India even observed that why will West Bengal ban the movie? The movie is running across the country. Notices have been issued to West Bengal and Tamil Nadu to respond based on the plea by the makers of the Kerala story. This has been a major controversial point, with Congress, for that matter, also challenging the movie and saying this does not depict the reality. It's got a lot of criticism and praise as well. Several in Kerala, in fact in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has gone ahead and the government has banned this movie, also claiming that there is a sequel where a similar movie on Bengal is also likely to be made. I'm being joined by Saurabh Gupta right now. So Saurabh, Supreme Court issuing notices to West Bengal as well as Tamil Nadu based on the plea of the makers of the Kerala story, a movie that has become extremely controversial and attempts to speak the story of what they claim is to be women who are being radicalized into ISIS.
Oh yes, obviously the makers of the movie had announced that they would move court once the state government, at least in West Bengal, in the case of West Bengal, had announced the ban on the movie. Now the state government has said it could lead to a law and order situation, and also, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, while talking about the film, said that it meant, it was designed to defame one community. And that is something that perhaps, the makers of the film have contested, but more so they've contested the ban largely because earlier the Supreme Court had refused to intervene in the release, saying the film had gone through the process of the censor board. And the censor board is, of course, the main board that actually sees these, releases of films and certifies films. And once it's been through that process of law, the Supreme Court had refused to intervene when there was a move to stall its release. So, obviously, the Supreme Court is in all likelihood, when the makers of the film moved to court, was going to ask the state government on what basis they've taken the action they have. And that is something that perhaps we will, get to know about once the state government replies to the court, and something that we already know through, the publicly published interviews of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.